In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively share your Clickup workspace with your team, ensuring seamless collaboration and efficient workflow management. Let's dive right in and explore how you can invite people to your workspace, share specific items, and manage dashboards and views. First, let's talk about inviting people to your Clickup workspace. To start, you'll want to locate the Invite button, which can be found in the sidebar. This is your gateway to bringing new team members on board. Once you've clicked on Invite, you'll need to enter the email addresses of the individuals you wish to invite. It's important to be accurate here, so double-check those addresses to ensure no one gets left out. After that, it's time to assign user roles to each invitee. ClickUp offers various roles such as member and guest, so choose the one that fits each person's responsibilities best. When you're satisfied with your selections, go ahead and click Send Invite. This will fire off invitations directly to their inboxes, setting the stage for collaboration. Next, you might want to share specific items within your workspace, such as spaces, folders, lists, or even individual tasks. To do this, navigate to the item you wish to share. Once there, look for the Share button, or the ellipsis icon, which appears as 3 little dots. Click on this to access your sharing options. Here, you'll need to enter the email addresses of the users you want to include. Decide on the level of access you want to provide by selecting the appropriate permissions. Options might range from view only to the ability to comment or edit, depending on what suits your needs. Finally, click Send Invite or Share to complete the process. Your selected individuals will now have access to these specific items. Moving on, let's discuss how to share dashboards and views. For dashboards, start by clicking the Share button that you'll find on the dashboard itself. Here, you have the option to make your dashboard public or to share it with particular users. If you're working with private views, these can be shared by accessing the sharing and permissions settings specific to the view. Within these settings, simply add the users you'd like to share with. This ensures that you maintain control over who sees what information. Additionally, for certain views, you can create public links. This is a convenient way to make data accessible to anyone who has the link without needing to invite them directly into the workspace. And that's it for today. Following these steps will help you share your ClickUp workspace efficiently, improving your team's collaboration and productivity. Please remember to regularly review and update permissions as your team grows and projects evolve. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions in the comments below.